Okay, day 2, doing some more maintenance. Wow, amount of dust around here. Insanity. Like not even in the desert, like the beach. Wow. It's not beside the beach, it's beside the ocean. Wow. This thing's in a cover too. It's like, how the heck does all this dust get in here? This is only like a couple years old. Like I put a new clock in here like, yeah, 2019. 2021, only 2 years. Wow, man, insane. All right, let's check capacitors, contactors, and see how we're doing here. All right, let's check some capacitors. Should be a 30 on the 30 microfarad on the run. Let's check it out. Okay, supposed to be microfarad on this one. Let's check it out. We're all hooked up. Yeah, 29. Good enough. A little secret when putting your wires back on your capacitors. Put the wires back on the back sides of the capacitors and leave the front ones open so that you can get your leads on it. Shoot, I got rudely interrupted by my timer on my phone. Okay, like I was saying, put the leads on the backs of the capacitor connections, leave the front ones open so you can get to them easily. Little trick of the trade. Okay, let's check this one. It's supposed to be 145 to 175 on this one. Let's see, I can't. There we go, we can see. 145 to 174. I don't know why I put 170. Anyways, close enough. Let's give it a check. Okay, it's supposed to be 145 to 174. It says on the capacitor. Let's give it a look. All hooked up. Whoa. That's not good. I gotta double check that. I gotta open start capacitor. Oh, that's way bad. Okay, let's double check. I just double checked our connections and moved them around a bit. Something must have been off because we're 172 now, so we're good to go. 171, 172, 173. Well, that's fine. Good to go. Okay guys, capacitors are all good. Not liking this look of this contactor though. Pretty much on its last legs. I put it in 2018. This is 2021. 3 years old only. And she's pretty far gone. I'm going to recommend replacing it. Only got about 10% life left in it. I'm going to replace the start relay at the same time. It's probably not. It's 2013. I think it might be original. Yeah, 2013 unit, 2021 now. Time for a new start relay. They say they only want it to last another 18 months, but you know how that goes. 18 months turns into 36 months easily. Okay. Okay. So it's that. She's all cleaned up. Condenser's all cleaned inside of the unit. Give it a bit of a wipe down inside here. Get all the salt off everything. Trying to do a battle against the salt air. I'm gonna sand and paint this. Probably sand and paint this capillary tubing in this line here too. Salt's starting to attack the stuff. Salt's starting to attack the pressure control. Capillary tubing pretty good too. So I'll give it a little paint job, like you said. It only needs a couple years, year and a half. Maybe it's going to be turned into 3 years, you know how it goes. But anyways, alright, so top one's all gone through. Freezer unit's all gone through. Cleaned it up a bit, wiped it all down, visual inspection, check everything. I want to check this capacitor here. This one is one. Don't ever check these that often. I should start checking these more often. Anyways, condenser should be pretty clean. Hopefully, it should be pretty darn clean. To see what. Guess it doesn't like focusing. Yeah, corrosion's starting to take its toll. Now, I think I see a loose. Yeah, we got 2013 unit, 2021. I don't know what that is. Almost maybe 8 years. Condenser's starting to get attacked on the salt air. Yep. You can see the yeah. I think the condenser's pretty clean now. Sorry, it's hard to move this thing around. I don't know what those oil stains are. No, I don't think it's liquid refrigerant. It doesn't appear to be short. So, I don't know. Oh. It could be bird shit, for all I know. You got a strange. It's got one down the middle. Got one on the ends. I don't know. Who knows? Glad he only needs a couple years out of it. I think it's on its way out. Okay. Let's check this capacitor. Okay, it's supposed to be 4 microfarad. So what do we got here? 3.8. Hope you can see it. It shows what kind of renews. It's 3.8. You can see it. Hopefully you can. Good enough. Close enough. Okay. I think that condenser's pretty darn clean. Pretty darn clean. Ooh, look at this. Should be pretty. Damn clean. Damn, I did a nice job on that one. Hot water, 409, a little bit of scrubbing, hot water, CO2 blowing backwards and forwards, a little bit of scrubbing with a brush, all different brushes, hot water back and forward out of a sprayer, a little 409, and that's it. Okay, let me put some foam. See if I can put some foam tape under those capacitors and I'll start this little lady back up again. Son of a gun. Okay, did a little mod. Put a foam tape. Piece of foam tape on the bottom there. It's nice. Only the start capacitor touching it though. The I don't want to push the run down that's hanging up on the start, so it's good enough. Good enough. That's January, March, April 28th. I think, yeah. Maintenance for April 28th. Pre-summer maintenance on the freezer. That's that done. Should be hopefully good. Oh yeah, the voltage sucks around here. 201. Saw 199 a minute ago. That sucks. 200 volts.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please click like and subscribe. All right, take care. Have a good one. Bye.